Hey guys, welcome to a brand new week. I was like, why isn't it focusing? It was just me being weird. Yeah, we're good. Hello. Day off today. I didn't really get into much today. Basically, I woke up, edited the vlog, and then I did some laundry, and then made some food, and then I played Final Fantasy just now. The funny thing is, it seems like I'm playing a lot of Final Fantasy VII Rebirth, but the thing is, I'm not playing for long durations. So I might be playing every day, but tops, I'm playing maybe 1 or 2 hours at a time. Maybe because I'm either tired or it's just every time I get to a certain point of the game, I just have to like take it in because it's just wow. Because I played the original, everything that's they expanded on, I have to take a minute to appreciate it and be like, whoa, in the original game it's not like this. So yeah, the thing is, I see a lot of people on TikTok, YouTube playing the game, and they all admit they didn't play the original. So it's like a little sad that they didn't, because they don't realize how amazing this game has become. It is still a good game regardless, even if you don't have any of the original background, but it just feels like a lost opportunity there, because I feel like it's a different experience, especially if you played the original. Here they are just battling as if they knew what the original was. No. You need to play it. Anyway, tomorrow I have to wake up pretty early to go to my office day stuff, and then I'll pick up my other pair of glasses. I did bring 2 pairs of glasses last week to get fixed. One of them I couldn't fix, the Unipair, and then the other one I left behind because the nose piece was really loose and they actually like ordered me new ones. They said it's come in already, so I just have to pick it up tomorrow. I have off early enough tomorrow to go pick it up. But yeah, this week again shouldn't be too crazy, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna watch one more episode of OhKdrama and then probably head to bed because I shouldn't stay up too late. My sleeping's been a lot better. Currently, I hope you guys can hear me a little bit of fan, but currently I am cooking up a storm. I'm making dinner, but then I realized I don't have to force myself to bring sandwiches if I cook extra right now. What I mean is what usually happens is I always make one dish of rice and then I have it with side of veggies or something. But if I make extra side dishes, then I can get full eating the variety of dishes and pack the leftovers for lunch tomorrow. Because I always have extra rice. So I fried up some pork here. It's almost done. And then I am gonna throw in some eggs later for like some scrambled eggs with cheese. I cut up some spam, which I'm gonna fry up too. I made my bean sprout side dish. So yeah, I have many little side dishes with rice, and then I'm gonna fill up easier. And I'm probably gonna open a can of the spicy fish. That way I have more alternatives and I won't get full just eating one dish. And henceforth, I will have leftovers. Okay, I went to H Mart just now near my house. That one that I don't like the most because it's quick and I'm out of proteins to cook with. So I was planning on just going around and grab like 3 proteins because I need 2. I grabbed 2 proteins. Actually, no, I did grab 3 because one of them was on sale. And I was just looking to spend like 25 bucks. A lot of stuff today was on sale. I don't know what it was. So even though I bought more, I didn't think I spent that less. Like altogether, I spent like 45 bucks. Usually this would be like 60 or 70 almost. You know, Canada, right? I bought these ice cream fish things again. I usually buy them when they're on sale. They're rarely on sale. They're on sale for 3 bucks. So I grabbed one. Grab the 2 proteins I went in there for. Pork. Pork is a cheap option these days. Grab some chocolate mochi that was on for sale for $2.75. Is it expiring soon or something? But ice cream doesn't really have expiry, you know? No, it doesn't have expiry. This one has expiring in 2025. So I don't need that all. So I don't know why they're on sale. Grab some frozen udon. I was low on it. I wasn't planning on buying it, but it was on sale. $3. So I was like, okay. I never heard of this brand. But it's made in Korea, so okay. Can't be that bad. And then I bought some pork belly because it was on special. Like this pack was, what was it? $8.95 for all this pork belly. I'm gonna make kimchi jjigae. But I forgot to buy the kimchi. I was gonna buy the big ones and then chop it up. But those were on sale. So maybe this time I'll just fry this up, do a Korean barbecue at home kind of style. The expiry dates aren't bad either, so I'm just surprised. I'm feeling a little bit iffy today. Like yesterday I felt really sick for some reason. But today I feel a little better, but I'm still a little on the edge. I'm not very hungry. I did pack a lunch today, a big lunch, because I cooked a lot yesterday. I was in a cooking mood yesterday. I prepped so much stuff. I still have leftovers in the fridge. Like it was a good. I'm not very hungry, but I feel like I should eat something because if I don't, I'm just gonna feel it later. So what I'm gonna do probably is I have some leftover Spam from yesterday and my bean sprouts, and I have a bowl of rice. So I'm gonna just eat that, keep my stomach at bay, and you know, I won't get hungry later. Currently, I'm just sitting here enjoying some Korean citron tea. I love drinking this because it literally feels like I'm drinking oranges, lemons, limes, anything citrusy with high vitamin C in there. It's very comforting to drink. Oh, it's good. Yesterday I forgot to really talk in my vlog. As you could tell, I restocked a lot of my drinks in the fridge and my mini fridge before someone says anything in comments, so that's a lot of sugary drinks. The thing is, over the last 3 months, actually the beginning of the year, I started limiting myself to only drinking one sugary carbonated drink a day. Because usually back then I would drink more than one sometimes, because you know, sometimes after a long stressful day I need a can of something carbonated and sugary to get me through. So I've changed that a bit about myself, you know, for health wise, you know, I can't be doing that every single day anymore. So, but I'm also not gonna eliminate that from myself either because, you know, I need it. So it's in moderation. One a day isn't that bad. And sometimes I don't even do one a day, right? But no matter what, I limit myself to one a day. If I don't drink one a day, then whatever, right? I could just not drink it, it's even better. But I refuse to drink more than one now. So that is good for my health, plus good for my wallet. For example, sometimes at work, I would buy a carbonated drink, and then after work, I would drink another one home. So that doubles that. Plus, I end up spending money. If I know I'm only allowed to drink one, I just, you know, I'm not going to buy any today. I'll just drink one at home. So that already saves me some money, which is the goal here. So that was that. So in between that, if I ever crave anything sweet, I just drink tea or water and just power through it. I can't not drink something sugary one day. And let's be honest, some days I'm so good that I actually don't even drink a carbonated sugary drink, which is like, whoa, that's right. I think it's just, I was too busy, I'm just too tired, I just want to go straight to bed. Maybe that's why, I don't know. So yeah, tea it is. I'm still drinking my hot lemon water in the morning, so that's always been good, as my digestion really helps for that. I got home from work and I've been playing Final Fantasy Rebirth since I got back. It's 1:30 in the morning. I got back at what, 10? Yeah, I had to stop because I was getting sleepy, so good time to stop. Plus, I realized I didn't vlog anything today, so yeah, sorry guys. Nothing really happened this week. Yeah, no, it was just a pretty low-key week. I'm thinking of trying a bit of a challenge for next week. Actually, for 2 weeks. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pull it off because it's something that's pretty difficult to do. I attempted this many years ago. Even, I think I did this before I started vlogging, like that's how long it was. It just didn't work out, but I'm a lot older now and wiser, so it might be okay now for me to try. Plus, I'm gonna make it more realistic and achievable this time around. But I'm not gonna say it in this vlog. I'll save it for next vlog because, you know, I'll say something for next week. But yeah, I'm gonna try it again. Hopefully it goes well. You'll guys find out in the next week's vlog. Next week I do have 3 days off instead of the 2 because I screwed up making the schedule for me and Tejan because I thought the stat holiday was on Monday instead of Friday. It's really hard to remember that stuff, so I didn't give me and Tejan 3 days off this week. So I was like, you know, we'll do it next week, it's fine. But the thing is, sadly, me and Tejan aren't able to do have 2 of them be stuck together, so it's just very frustrating to deal with, but it is what it is. So I do have 3 days off, so it's a little bit easier. My allergies this year haven't been that bad because over the last few years, I've learned not to touch my nose, not to like sniff or snort, because sometimes if I feel a little itchy or I feel a little bit of like a running nose, I suck up through my nose, which aggravates it, causing me to sneeze, and I get full-blown allergies. Because actually, when I'm doing that motion, I'm sucking in pollen. I think that's what's happening. And me touching my nose is also like, my hands aren't clean, right, sometimes, so I'm probably sure I have pollen on it, and I get it on my nose and I sneeze. So me stopping myself from doing those little actions has made things easier. My eyes aren't burning. It could be that, or I'm building a resistance to pollen. I highly doubt it. Because the most annoying part of the day is when I wake up. Because when I'm sleeping, I snore a little bit. Hence, if I'm inhaling through my nose like crazy, probably, so the pollen build up. So when I wake up in the morning, I have runny nose. I feel the allergies all over my head. My nose is very uncomfortable. My eyes aren't burning. My eyes are fine. But I'm sneezing constantly. So the first 40 minutes when I wake up is extremely painful. But if I carry out what I normally do, I'm fine for the rest of the day. It's just very interesting how that works out. But you know, this year's okay. Who knows? But anyway, I figured I should end the vlog properly before I went to do my skincare for the night, because I'm going to forget after doing it probably. So yeah. Look forward to the challenge next week I'm giving myself. Hopefully it goes well. We'll all find out together. But for now, I'll see you all next week.